What's going on, guys? 2015 F150 Super Crew here. I just bought and installed these brackets that lift up your rear back seat, and I thought I'd do a short overview on them in case you're about to build a custom box maybe, or just want some more storage under your seat. So this is, they provide some instructions here. That is the kit that you'll need, 1525 Super Crew. Just gonna do a short and sweet overview. In case you haven't seen my other videos, I built myself a custom box for my two 10-inch kicker CVTs. Before, this sat right tight up against my rear seat. As much airspace as I could get without affecting the functionality of my rear back seat. So you can clearly see now I've got a couple more inches to spare. These effectively raise it up about 2.5 inches. So I'm going to go over a short and sweet overview on how to install these things. Pretty easy. Should take you about an hour and a half. I used a pair of crescent wrenches and a basic socket set. I think you'll need a Torx 30 for that clip over there on the driver's side, and maybe an 18 millimeter deep well socket. So if you don't have those, plan on getting them. They should tell you on the website though what you'll need if you want to check that out before buying, and I'll put the link in the description. Anyways, what I did is I started by unbolting the back 1, 2, 3, and 4. Unbolt all those, and you can see basically what these are. They're just C brackets that go in place of all the bolt locations for your seat, and they just raise it up. It's a good angle of it right there. So basically you're going to unbolt the back and then come to the front. There's one here, one there, and then one on the other end over there. Unbolt the front. I think these are 13 millimeter down in there. So if you have a extension you can use, you're probably going to need your socket wrench, and then you can probably hook it up to the drill there. But you'll have two of these brackets. They put a little corner piece on there to kind of make it, trim it out a little bit there, make it look a little nicer instead of just having that little C bracket showing there. So that's kind of nice of them, but that's pretty much the gist of it. So unbolt the back, unbolt the front, and instead of completely lifting the back seat out, I just tilted it forward. And then threw my brackets in on the back, and then just loosely tightened that nut, and then did the front, and then I tightened the front and then tightened the back, and then they provide two brackets. This is the passenger side bracket. This is what it looks like installed. So basically we are raising the seat up, so you'll have to raise the latch points up too, and they do provide a bracket for each side. This is pretty straightforward. You've got like a half moon washer back here. That's where this goes. You'll kind of push it in there and pull it, and that will lock these two. This is the OEM part, and that will bolt these two together. So that's what that looks like installed. I'll show you over here what this one looks like. So this is, again, I think a Torx 30, and basically this is the OEM latch. You'll pull that, put this bracket on, that's what it looks like, and then you'll just bolt it up just like that, and it shouldn't have to mess with that. If you do, you might need to adjust that a little bit to make sure it latches, but that's pretty much it. After you bolt everything down, gives you some nice extra storage there, or again, if you're going to use it for a subwoofer system, that is the airspace you want to do something custom. My 210s sound great as they are right now, but that little bit more, I can possibly go to 212s, but I again think I might just keep my 210s. They sound pretty good and they're pretty much brand new. So anyways, hope this video helped. That's pretty short and sweet installation there. Again, it'll take you about an hour and a half. to install them, and that's what it looks like. Good product, black anodized there, so you know, it's not gonna fade on you or anything. But again, I'll show you one more time. I'm 6'1", and that's what it looks like when you're sitting in there. You definitely notice that you're a little bit higher, but I don't have an issue with clearance. Pretty comfortable. If you haul around a bunch of guys that are like 6'4", 6'5", you might have a little bit of a problem there. But no issues here, and I don't really haul a lot of people in my back seats anyways, so just my 3-year-old daughter. Anyways, that's it. Hope this video helped clear some questions up there. But you guys got any more questions, let me know. Thanks.